Namaste, आप लोगों को एक नए वीडियो में स्वागत है. Today I will tell you 40 different phrases to use instead of using very. For example, it's very cold outside. Don't say it's very cold. Say it's freezing outside. I am very smart. Instead of saying that, say I am intelligent. Oh, look at that, it's very funny. Say instead of very funny, say it's hilarious. Instead of saying very confused, say perplexed. My little brother is perplexed. That dog is very cute. Instead of saying very cute, say adorable. That dog is adorable. I am very creative. Instead of saying I'm very creative, say I'm innovative. That cat outside is very dirty. Instead of saying very dirty, say filthy. So you can say that cat outside is filthy. I'm very excited today to go to the museum. Instead of saying very excited, say I'm thrilled to go to the museum. That man is very evil. Say that man. Instead of saying very evil, say that man is wicked. I'm very hungry. Instead of saying I'm very hungry and complaining, say I'm starving. Very fat, obese. That man is obese. Very scared, petrified. I was petrified when I went through that ghost tunnel. Very stupid, idiotic. Putting the pen on fire was idiotic. You could have killed all of us. Very tired, exhausted. After running that marathon, I am exhausted. Very valuable, precious. My gold ring is precious to me. Very naughty, mischievous. That boy's mischievous. Very sad, sorrowful. My pet died, now I'm sorrowful. Very busy, swamped. At school today I was swamped. Very corrupt, fraudulent. That politician was fraudulent. Now we're almost ending the video, but there's a small quiz. What do you think the words are for very rude and very poor? Comment down your answer. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद लगा तो आप लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो. नमस्ते, बाय बाय. हम अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. नमस्ते, बाय बाय.